Santoro, yo T. Man, this is for you. Do you really love to see your bro succeed in this, man? Hey, yeah. Yo, been a while, bro. Remember all the memories. You were my directory. Now I ain't got any one of them in jeopardy. Just to forget it, gotta smoke celery. Mama, every day your B-day come around, she tries to forget it. She tries to hide her pain. Every night she betrayed. I cry in the rain so you don't see the tears. Cody, he remember all the time you guys had. Now you're gone, he mad. It drives me insane to see everyone sad. Hey, Noah, yeah, Noah, hey, Noah, yeah. Yeah, Noah, he's so fragile. His thoughts, you can see are scrambled. He tries to tackle his pain away. It drives me crazy, yeah, I act tough, but deep down I hurt when I think of you or the drama in school. I blurt, but hey, I wish I could be hurt. I wish I could hear mama screaming and crying while you laying in the grass. You love the fish, wasn't your favorite fish a bass? In my heart, in my brain, it's full of darkness. Without you, I'm so heartless. It's tough, just straight hardness. Your life was just short. April 4th, you're turning 28. You died at 16. Man, I hope all these people believe me, man. You people say you my friend. You all leave me, but Travis, you stick with me. Travis, you were there when I had my first surgery. Yeah, that's right. I got a birth injury. They say your death was an accident, but was a murder. But no one charged just because our family don't get along with PD. They not even investigate. Man, y'all left me devastated. Been a while, gone through a lot, accepted it. Guess that's my style. Every day I feel like I walk a mile, but I stay on my place. I feel it's a race. Love you, T. You were my ride or die, but I guess you died. Sorry for that line. It's time. Don't wanna say it, but I gotta be happy. So, bye. Love you. Love you.